Hello, friends. So, it's my cousin's birthday this week, and I really want to gift her a handmade gift. So, today I'm going to make a handmade photo frame. So, let's quickly check what all we need. So, this one is a ready made photo frame. These are paper flower and a glue gun. So, this is a super easy craft. So this is how we get the paper flower from the market. So we don't need this stem. So I will cut this off. So these are the flowers we are going to use now. Take the photo frame and with the help of glue gun start pasting the flowers. So if you don't have glue gun at home, all you can do is you can use your fabric glue, but it will take time to dry, but that's okay. You can just keep the frame for some time and allow it to dry. So this is how we are going to paste all the flowers. Cover your frame properly so that the wood it's not visible, otherwise it won't look so good. And I will suggest you to go with the plain frame like this one. This is plain, so that the flowers we have pasted, they are evenly pasted on the frame. If there would be some design or something, I don't think so the flowers would be even and it won't look so good. So this is the final look. You can't see wood from anywhere. And see how a simple frame is converted to a beautiful piece. I just hope my cousin liked this gift. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to it. Thank you.